Now next question of exercise 3.7 is question number 3. The length, breadth and height of a room are 825 cm, 675 cm and 450 cm respectively. You need to find out the length of the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So students, first of all we will try to understand that what we need to find out in this question. Okay, so I am having 3 measuring tapes with me. First is this one I am having, this is the measuring tape. Second I am having this one and third I am having this one. I hope all of you understand that what are the measuring tapes. Right, so I have drawn a line here and we will try to measure the length of this line with these 8 measuring tapes, right? So if I am going to, first of all I am going to use this measuring tape, the smallest one I am having. So if I will start measuring this length, so this one and then here, can I measure it exact number of times? No. Some part of this line is left here. Right? I can't measure this length fully. It was like here. I can't measure it fully with this measuring tape. Now I am going to use the next measuring tape which was with me. So here it is. This is the first mark and then this is the second mark. And again for third I can't measure it exactly with this measuring tape also. Now I am going to use the third measuring tape which was there with me. So here is my first step and this is the measuring tape which can measure it exact number of times. Right? Now what this measuring tape has done to this length, you can see that this measuring tape has divided the length of this line into 2 equal parts. These are the 2 equal parts of the line in which this measuring tape has divided the length. So what measuring tape done to the length? So how to find out the longest tape which can measure it exactly? Exactly means no part of the length should left unmeasured. So it means we need to find out the number which will divide 825, 675 and 450 exactly. So what will be that number? That number will be the factor of 825, 675 and 450. So now again we need to find out a common tape. Common longest tape we need to find out. So it means we need to find out a common factor of length, breadth and height. Right? Till now we are finding the common factor. So it means we need to find out the highest common factor. Why highest? Because we need to find out the length of the longest tape here. So longest means we need to find out the highest. Why common? Because we need to find out a single tape which can measure all these 3 length, breadth and height. And why we are finding out the factor? Because we need to find out length of the tape which will divide these 3 measures exact number of times. That's why we need to find out the highest common factor of length, breadth and height. So students, now to write down the statement of question number 3, we will write down first of all, length of the room is 825 cm, breadth of the room is 675 cm, height of the room is 450 cm. And as discussed earlier, required length of the tape will be HCF of 825, 675 and 450 centimeters. So we will use now long division method to find out the highest common factor of these 3 numbers, right? So first of all I am going to divide 825 with 675. So first of all 1 is 675. Here the remainder will be 150. Now the dividend will become divisor. Sorry, this divisor will become dividend. So 154 comes out to be 600. Remainder is 75. Now this divisor will become dividend and we get 75. 2s are 150. Now the next left with me is the number 450. So now we will perform the long division with 75 and 450. So 75 6 are 450 directly in one step only. No remainder is left. It means the highest common factor of these three numbers will be 75. Highest common factor of these three numbers will be 75. So our answer will be required length of the tape will be, therefore required length of the tape will be 75 centimeter. This will be our answer.